This is Sasha. I tamed her. She was a wild cat. Oh, Sasha, you're wild. There she goes. Oh, you win. You got it. Hey, you tried to run off with it. She's really good. Hey, give that to me. You can't have it. Alright, let's play with our other project. She let me pet her now. Not all the time, but... What's Sasha? I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. Meow. Good looking cat, huh? Alright, our next project. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.